Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel German Dream. If you are a new visitor, please consider subscribing my channel because my aim is to help you achieve your dreams to study in Germany. First of all, I would like to thank every one of you. Only because of you I have got my first 100 subscribers within a month, and now we are near to 130 subscribers only because of you. So thank you very much for showing all your love. And in previous video we talked about how to improve your profile if you have a low profile. But today we are going to talk about something else. The other day I was talking to some of my friends in my class, and they were asking to me that whether we need to give some entrance examinations for the German universities or they directly evaluate through our profile. So I just said them that yes, they directly evaluate your profile and on the basis of your grades and the other factors. But there are some examinations which you need to give before applying to the university. And in this video I'm just gonna give a brief overview about 3 of the major examinations which are required for getting into a German university. And I'm also gonna tell you about the alternative through which you can skip these examinations. I mean, without giving these exams you can directly get into a German university. And so if you are one who doesn't like to give exams or just don't have that confidence in you that you can be able to perform good in that exam, so definitely it's gonna help you so that you can skip these examinations and you can directly get into a German university. So without wasting any second, let's just get on to the video. So guys, the 3 examinations which are very much required for getting into a German university or any other abroad university are the GRE, the Ielts or TOEFL, and the Testdaf or the GOETHE certificate exam. So GRE is an exam which is required mainly in the universities of United States. It's not a major requirement in the German universities, but still there are 2 universities in Germany that ask for a GRE score. That is the RWTH Aachen and the TU München. So if you are getting an admission or you are applying to these universities, definitely you need to have a GRE score. But if you are applying for any other university in Germany and you think that your profile is low, then also you can give your GRE exam, because if you have a GRE exam, definitely it's gonna improve your profile whether it is required or not. But if you have a GRE score, you are able to complete the GRE exam, and definitely it's gonna help you. So this will be very beneficial for you to have a GRE exam to improve your profile and get directly into a German university. Now if we talk about further in GRE, it is of 2 types, that is the general exam and the subjective exam. The general exam is majorly about the quantitative aptitude, qualitative aptitude and the critical writing or analytic writing. It was something like that. So it is more emphasized on this. But if you select the subjective one, then you get questions related to particular subjective field in which you are interested. So there are 2 types of GRE exam, and this was all the brief overview about GRE. And I'm gonna create a particular video about GRE in future, so that if you are looking to improve your profile to get into German university through GRE, then it will be helpful for you. So stay tuned to the channel and wait for the video which I'm gonna upload next after this video. So now let's talk about Ielts. Most of the students know about Ielts because it is a language proficiency test which is required in most of the countries. The countries which have English as the most spoken language or the first language or the second language, they require Ielts score. And getting into a German university requires 6.5 band score in Ielts. So if you have a 6.5 band score in Ielts only, then you can get into a German university if you are seeking for an English taught course. But still there is an option to skip this exam, which I'm going to tell you right now. So stay tuned to the video and watch till end. The way through which you can skip the Ielts exam is only if you have completed your previous education in English language. I mean that if the medium of instruction in your school or your university through which you have completed your bachelor's or master's was English, then only this alternative is gonna help you. Because if you have completed your education in English, you can take a recommendation from your university or your school that you are well enough in English and you can understand everything. You have enough capability to complete your course in English language. So there is no need for you to go for an IELTS exam. And most of the universities in Germany accept these recommendations, and they don't ask for an IELTS score from you. So this is gonna help you if you think that you're not gonna be able to clear the IELTS exam, or you just don't want to do some hard work, because most of the people try to get away from hard work. So try to do this smart work instead of hard work and get a recommendation from your university or school and just get directly into a German university. So this was about IELTS. Now the third one is Testdaf. It's specifically only for students who are looking to apply for a German university in a German language taught course. Because if you are a non-European citizen and you are applying for a German language taught course, you need to have a Testdaf or the GOETHE certificate exam, because there is no alternative for it. If you are thinking to go for a German language taught course, you need to have this. Now you will be thinking that why would any student apply for a German language taught course if he is not a native German or a non-European citizen? It is because there is a lot of competition in English taught course than the German taught course. So those who think that it's gonna be difficult for them for getting an admission in an English taught course, they try to get an admission through a German taught course, because there is a very less competition in a German taught course and they easily get into the university. So this is a trick for getting an admission, which you can also use if you have enough knowledge of German language. So you can apply for this Testdaf or the GOETHE certificate exam, and you need to clear the exam with at least B2 or C1 level, because these are the requirements of the German language in German universities. Because there are 3 levels: the level A, level B and level C. You need to have at least level B2 or C1 to get into a German language taught course in a German university. So I hope this was all about it, and I hope you like this video. And if you wanna improve your profile to get into a German university, I'm gonna create a full-fledged video about GRE, in which I will tell you the complete information about GRE, how you can apply, when you can apply, what you need to study, from where you can study, and many other things. So stay tuned to the channel and wait for the next video. And like this video, share this video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.